Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up Asana projects and tasks, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Asana website. Log into your Asana account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the project you want to back up. Click on the project to open it. In the top right corner of the project view, find and click on the three dots icon for more options. From the drop-down menu, select Export/Print. Choose the option to export as a CSV file. Your browser will begin downloading the CSV file of your project. Open the downloaded CSV file using a spreadsheet program like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Review the exported data to ensure all tasks and details are included. Repeat these steps for any additional projects you want to back up. For a more comprehensive backup, consider exporting all tasks in your workspace. To do this, navigate to the home screen of Asana. Click on the drop-down arrow next to your workspace name. Select Export/Print from the list. Choose the CSV option to download all tasks from the workspace. Open the downloaded file to check for completeness. Store these CSV files in a secure location for future reference. For task comments and attachments, consider copying them manually. Open each task to view comments and any files attached. Copy the relevant information into a separate document for safekeeping. To ensure you never lose your data, repeat this backup process regularly. With these steps, you can maintain a reliable backup of your Asana projects and tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.